Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel. Get your blender and throw in half a lemon. Just cut it up and de-seed it. Add 1.5 cups of chilled water, 1/3 of a cup of ice, 1/4 of a cup of sugar. You can either add 30 grams of fresh basil, or if you can't find fresh basil, add basil paste. So if you're going to use basil paste, add about 20 grams. Blend on high for 40 seconds, or if you've got this blend deck, press 2.